Welcome to another ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover general battery maintenance.
All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either express or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time.
For more information on battery maintenance, you can also visit the abc-companies.com website, and you can also find this in Tech Tips number 1115, where it gives you battery maintenance for all Van Hool motor coaches. A battery consists of two or more cells connected in series. Each cell is 2 volts nominally. A 12-cell battery has 24 volts. A cell consists of alternating positive and negative plates, always one more negative than positive. Plates are separated by microporous separators for electrical insulation. For plate design, the structure of a plate is the grid. The grid is pasted, then cured in ovens. After curing, the plates are formed. Potential causes of over or undercharging: improper matched batteries and chargers. Charger too high overcharges and overheats the batteries. Chargers too small can undercharge. Lack of equalized charging can lead to sulfate not being removed, which will reduce capacity and reduce life. Both lead to shortened battery life, capacity, and increased life cycle costs. Underwatering concerns: if a portion of the plate dries out, that portion cannot be restored. Battery capacity is diminished. The remaining SPG electrolytes increase. Higher SPG accelerates grid corrosion. Battery life is reduced significantly. Battery failure is imminent. Results in increased cost to operate. Anytime that you are filling your batteries, you want to make sure you use distilled water to top off your batteries. Overwatering concerns: electrolytes leave the battery, spilling into the compartment and onto the floor. The result can be corrosion on the battery and/or cables, streaks on the battery sides, floor deterioration, reduced electrolyte SPG equals less capacity. Overcharging of the battery occurs. Heating results, reduces capacity life, and performance results. Cleaning: when properly watered and maintained, batteries should be slightly dusty on their cell tops. Ideally, the batteries should be clean and dry. Quarterly washing seems to be adequate and optimal. Less frequent washing causes voltage tracking on battery tops. Can cause faults. Corrosion is probable. Battery terminal size. Battery terminal size is important. There are two different sizes for the positive and negative terminals. Using the incorrect size will result in post damage as shown in the photos below. Tools for battery maintenance. When working with batteries, use of the proper tools will help you determine the fitness of the battery for reuse. A carbon pile load tester, digital load tester, or a specific gravity tester. Here is an example of how your 1999 T2100 batteries cable should hook up. It is always important to check positions of positive and negative posts before hooking them up. Not all batteries are the same. Here it is an example of your C2045 battery hookup.
And that concludes our ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for coach technical support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.